Hello everyone, welcome to UBC Engineering Open House. This is the Civil Engineering program at UBC Okanagan. This presentation will give you the information about the available programs and options. With the civil engineering, you can plan and build our physical world from roads to buildings, to bridges and tunnels, to airports and subway system, to water and sewage systems. And you can discover your expertise in foundation analysis, building and structure inspection, transportation system analysis, surveying, geomatics, and municipal planning. The resilient infrastructure management option is available to civil students in our undergraduate program. The RIM option will equip engineering students with the state-of-the-art skills, theories, and design methodologies they need to work in different capacities with municipalities, consultants, and government. Next, we talk about what you can do in your degree. This list shows the typical civil engineering areas, including structural, transportation, geotechnical, environmental, construction management, water resources and hydraulics, and infrastructure management. The civil engineering program at UBC Okanagan has outstanding, diverse faculty and the state-of-the-art research laboratories, including Green Construction Research and Training Center, Center for Transportation Land Use Research, Life Cycle Management Laboratory, and Sustainable Transport Safety Research Laboratory. We offer hands-on and multidisciplinary training, and there are students' clubs on the campus.
So, what can you expect from the student experience of the civil engineering program at UBCO? We have Canadian Society for Civil Engineers to develop and maintain high standards of civil engineering practice in Canada and to enhance the public image of the civil engineering profession. We also have student teams and student chapter. Concrete Toboggan has participated in the Great Northern Concrete Toboggan Race. BC Water and Waste Association Student Chapter is an organization for the students who are interested in the water and wastewater environment challenges. We also have Canadian Institute of Transportation Engineers, which promotes the advancement of the transportation and traffic engineering by fostering the connection between the members, profession, and the worldwide industry collaborators. We have American Railway Engineering and Maintenance of WAY, which basically helps us to hold multiple industry nights for the students to choose their career. We have Life Cycle Management Laboratory, which focuses on the energy systems and green constructions with data analytics and artificial intelligence, waste management, and waste-to-energy technologies. Bioreactor Technology Laboratory focuses on the advanced wastewater treatment process for more efficient contaminant removal, energy conservation, and production. The Green Construction Research and Training Center is an interdisciplinary network of researchers focused on solving key sustainable development challenges faced by the society. The transportation research helps us to get the community and planning design, sustainable transport and safety, hydro-powered zero-emission regional passenger and freight rail. Transportation and land use interaction is also for the Center of Transportation and Land Use Research. So what is the industry demand for civil engineering? Consulting organization, construction groups, and government often hire civil engineers. Also, civil engineers hire themselves as they have innovative ideas and can develop the tools and methodologies to solve the complex problems. This table presents the statistics of the job markets in civil engineering sector. We do see the great opportunities for the building science, civil, construction, environmental and geotechnical sectors. Let us see what are the career options that you can pursue from your degree. These are our civil engineers alumni at undergraduate and graduate level. They are working for the industry as project manager, coordinator, structural engineer, water resources engineer, transportation engineer, and program manager. Our graduates also work at the university as research assistant and professor. This table shows the increase in labor market for civil engineers across the Canada. Our home planet needs you to protect the environment. So welcome to the University of British Columbia Okanagan campus and welcome to the Civil Engineering program.